Hi guys, welcome back to BeautiCo. Today in this video I am going to be showing you how you can do your makeup using just 5 makeup products, and all these products that I'm going to be using are affordable. It's going to be a very simple makeup look to do, and it's going to be very quick to do as well. So I think without further ado, let's get started. So of course I have done my skincare. My skin is pretty hydrated, and now I am going to go in with the first product, which is a concealer. Now this one is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. This is exactly the same shade of my skin tone. Now I am not going to use a foundation. I am just going to use a concealer to cover up my dark circles, my darkness, hyperpigmentation. I'm also going to cover some spots with this particular concealer, and this is a very lightweight concealer and covers everything beautifully. This is one of my absolute favorite concealers. I use this so much. So around my nose, around my So basically concealer is going to be like a lifesaver for me, and I'm going to blend this out with my e.l.f. Putty Blush Brush. Now the second makeup product that I'm going to use is a lipstick. Now this is going to be my blush as well. So it's going to be like a monochromatic look because I'm going to be using the same color as my blush as well as my lipstick. This particular one is the Daily Life Forever 52 Showstopper Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Bandit. Now I love using liquid lipsticks particularly as my blush because they are very long lasting, and they set and don't move or fade throughout the day. So what I like to do is I am going to take this on the back of my hand like that. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Buffing Foundation brush, which I like to use to apply liquid blushes, and I'm going to start stamping this into my skin. Placement of this particular blush is really important. Like, you want to place it in this manner so that everything is lifted, because we are not going to do any cream contouring or contouring. So blush is going to help in shaping our face. And a little bit on my nose as well. Now the third product that I am going to use is this. This is a compact powder. This is a L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the powder. My shade is 245 Golden Honey. Now I am using a compact powder because this is going to add a little bit more coverage and also going to help in setting my makeup in place. I am going to use my brush. This is from Rene. This is the Blush R2 brush. And just looking up and setting under my eyes. Now the fourth makeup product is this particular eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. This is the Color Icon eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude Awakening. Now this is like a cool tone palette. It has a lot of cool matte shades as well as some champagne shades. There's one black in this, and there are some shimmer shades as well. Now this particular palette is something that I think you should have in your kit because it's a very versatile palette. So I am going to be using this particular palette to do my eyebrows. I am also going to do my highlight with this particular palette, and I can also do a variety of different eye looks using just this one palette. So yeah, this is so affordable but so versatile, so multitasking. It's just a bang for your buck. So I am going to use this particular shade to just shape and fill my brows, and I am going to do that with this Pack 099 brush. Next, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette to do my eyeshadow look. So I'm going to start off with this transition shade right here and just apply this in my crease. Then using the same shade that we used earlier to fill in our brows, I am going to deepen my outer corners using this just to smoke out my outer corners. And then on my eyelids, I'm gonna use this beautiful icy shimmery shade. I just ended up adding this shade just to add a little bit of pinkiness to the eyeshadow and to make it pop. And then I'm going to use this black shade and I'm just going to do a small little wing using my angled brush. And that's it. We have a glam look going on just using 4 makeup products till date. Now the fifth and the last makeup product that you need is a mascara. I am gonna use my Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara, and I am gonna apply lots and lots of it. And I also do use my mascara to set my brows in place so that they look much more bushier. So again, mascara is one product which is very versatile. You can do your eyeliner as well using mascara. And then after that, I'm just gonna take the same eyeshadow palette that I took earlier. I'm gonna take this beautiful pinky shade and just gonna use it to highlight the highest points of my cheekbones with my fingers itself. Can you see that? And the tip of my nose. And then lastly, I am gonna use my lipstick to finish this look. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with using just 5 makeup products. Can you believe that? This glam look right here. And trust me, this is gonna be a very long wearing, smudge proof, waterproof makeup look because I used those 5 products which were very long wearing. The mascara is waterproof. The liquid lipstick that we applied is also matte and it's gonna last throughout the day. So yeah, there are so many different uses of different makeup products. It's not necessary that a lipstick should only be used as a lipstick, or a blush can be only be used as a blush. You can use your blush as your eyeshadow. Like, one makeup product can be used in so many different ways, and makeup can be so much fun. So yeah, I hope you guys learned from this video and you guys liked this look as well. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys would like to see next, and if you all did like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go now and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.